Congratulations on getting engaged. You are now on the adventure of a lifetime. On Bridebook, we've planned over 1 million weddings. We've had 1 million happy couples go through us. And I'm gonna share some of the tips to avoid, little tricks to make sure your wedding goes so smoothly and you have the ultimate occasion on your big day. Do not lick 100 envelopes by a glue stick. If you're having a stag do not do it too close to the wedding. Broken bones take time to mend, eyebrows take time to regrow. Do not walk up the aisle too quickly. Everyone's come to see you. Take it at a great pace so they can all enjoy it. Do not have a receiving line. This is a traditional line where everyone lines up to greet the couple and family before they come into dinner. The first guest through will often be standing at the table for over half an hour. If you really want to do a receiving line and greet every guest, do it when they arrive at your venue. Stand away from the bar and away from the drinks. People will go through a lot quicker. They'll save a lot of time and make everything go a lot better. Do not have your drinks for too long before the dinner. This is a great fun part of the wedding. What will happen is people's feet start to hurt. Some people might drink too much. If you've got hot weather, people start to get tired. Do it in a compact amount of time, especially if you're doing speeches before dinner. Do not have a very large bar during dancing. This is where you want your bar to act much more as a refueling station where guests grab a drink and go back to the dance floor. If you have a very large bar, everyone will congregate there and end up removing people from the dance floor. Do not have seating near your dance floor. Lots of people are self-conscious about dancing. There are a bunch of people sitting and watching them. They will just retreat to the seats as well. You want a busy dance floor. You want dark lighting so people don't have lots of inhibitions and can dance away and feel a lot freer. Do not have the cheese board next to the dance floor. Cheesy music is a winner at a wedding. Cheesy smell is not. Do not have a guy's room. This might sound really cool, the cigar and whiskey room somewhere else, but it just splits the party. You want everyone together, partying away, and creates a much better ambiance for the party. Do not forget to pack an extra white shirt. If you get a spill or a stain, that's going to be in all your photos for the rest of the day. So grab an extra shirt. It's the easiest thing to do, and it's a great backup plan. Do not forget to pack some baby wipes. It's amazing what stains they can take out even on the hem of a wedding dress. Do not forget to film your final dress fitting so your bridesmaids, your mother, or whoever's helping you get dressed knows exactly how to do it on your wedding day. Do not forget to dance with your parents at your wedding. It'll be their favorite memory of your whole wedding. Don't sit your raucous mates with your younger relatives. You don't want your godmother's 7-year-old daughter coming away from your wedding learning some new words. Don't let your families meet for the first time on the wedding day. Make sure they meet, ideally at a casual lunch, a few weeks or months before to remove any anxiety and get that excitement for both families for your wedding day. Don't have your speeches on a scrappy piece of paper. It's going to appear in loads of photos, so put it on neat cue cards or have some other way. If you don't have a videographer, don't forget to ask one of your friends to record your parents' speeches on their phone. One day that video is going to be one of your most treasured memories. Don't rely on one friend to be your photographer. You might think you're going to save some money, but they're not going to enjoy the event, and you're relying on one person to take the most important photos of your life. Don't reveal everything at once. You want your wedding to be like a movie, different scenes, different reveals throughout the day. Reveal the photo booth later on, reveal that secret room where you're serving chocolate waffles or whatever fun you have. Spread it out. That keeps the excitement rolling through the day. Don't break the bank on your wedding. If you've fallen in love with a venue, move your wedding to midweek or off-season and you'll save over 50%. Don't forget to bring duplicates of all your paperwork for your wedding as a backup on your big day. Don't forget to sand the soles of a new pair of shoes. This will stop you slipping over on the dance floor during your first dance. Don't leave your guests waiting for drinks all night. Make sure the bar has pre-filled drinks and also have buckets of self-serve drinks like wine or beer around the venue as well. Don't forget you need to feed your suppliers. Often just ordering a takeaway is the cheapest and most popular option for this. Don't try any sleeping remedies the night before your wedding. If you're going to try anything, test it out a few weeks before. You might be nervous about your wedding, but you don't want to be woozy or drowsy the next day. Don't rip your clothes learning their limitations during your first dance. Make sure you know, can you actually put your arms above your head or do that cartwheel that's going to wow your guests before you try it for the first time. Don't hide your budget from your suppliers. If they're over budget and you can't afford them, talk to them, and very often they'll find a way to make it all possible. And finally, don't forget to enjoy yourself. Hopefully you found those useful. Follow Bridebook on Instagram and subscribe, or have loads more great tips coming soon.